G'day. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be reviewing these chicken garlic bites from Woolworths. So I'll cook them in the air fryer, then I'll give them a taste, and then I'll rate them out of 10. So we'll give it a go. They're saying cooks in 20 minutes on 200 in the oven, but I'll put them on 200 and cook them for 15 minutes. So let's put them in. There we go. Just look like little chicken balls. Go 200. 15 minutes. Let's see how we go. All right, let's have a look. We can see the garlic come out of them. I think they're done. All right, let's give it a try. Look at that garlic. Garlic's squirted out of it. Looks cooked. Looks all right. Yeah, they're good. They're nice. They're just like chicken Kievs. They're good. I like them. I'll probably rate them about 7 out of 10. They're pretty good. So that's the garlic chicken bites. So if you want me to review any other supermarket bought stuff to cook in the air fryer, just drop something in the comments and I'll cook it up. All right, see you on the next one.